Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6. Will present our material today with title, writing, and our letter. Okay, so before we start our discussion today, I would say thanks to Miss Suharni MPD who has given us the opportunity to discuss today. And let me introduce ourselves. I'm Dewi Van Henry, NPM 210400043 as moderator and speaker 1. And my partner, Fitria Aryani, NPM 2104050. And my others partner, Sofia Wildani, NPM 210400041. So our topic today is writing an over letter. Before we start how to letter an over letter, let's we discuss about the definition and purpose of over letter. I will explain the first definition of an over letter. An offer letter is a written document that an employer provides to a candidate chosen for a job position. It indicates the employer intent to hire in a formal way, outlining the main job details. An organization typically extends offer letter for prospective employees via email before providing a detailed employment contact. And the next is, what is the purpose and offer letter? Have four purposes. The first one is to clarity and confirmation. The primary purpose of an offer letter is to provide a formal written acknowledgement of a job offer to the selected candidate and clarifying the company's intent to hire them. And the second one is setting expectation. It establishes the groundwork for the employment relationship, offering a snapshot of what the candidate can expect in their role and what the company expects from them. And the third is facilitating decision making. By presenting the key term of the job offer in writing, the candidate is better equipped to make an informed decision about accepting or declining the position. And the last is indicating professionalism and branding. Okay, the next point about structure of a job offer letter will explain by my partner Fitria Aryani.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I say thanks the moderator. Okay, my name is Fitria Aryani. I will discuss about structure of job offer letter. The structure of the job offer letter have many structure. The first, company logo and contact information. Place the company logo at the top along with the company address and contact detail. This establishes brand identity and provides candidates with easy access to contact information if needed. And the next, date and candidate information. Include the candidate of issuances followed by the candidate name and address. This personalizes the document and ensure it reaches the intended reception. And the next, formal greeting. Start with a greeting such as "Dear candidate names." This sets a professional tone for the letter. And the next, introduction. Briefly state the purpose of the letter in indicating that it is an offer for employment and expressing enthusiasm about the candidate joining the team. And the next, job title and description. Clearly specify the job title and provide a brief description to responsibilities. This helps set expectations regarding the role. Okay, the next compensation detail. Outline the salary payment frequency, it be weekly or monthly, and any bonus or commissions. This section should be clear to avoid misunderstanding regarding financial compensation. And the next work schedule. Mention expected working hours, including any specific day or shift required, along with the anticipation start date. And the next benefit packet. Provide detail about employment benefits such as health, insurance retirement plans, paid time off, and any other perks offered by the company. And the next reporting structure. Identity with the new employee will report to and how and how the fit into the organizing structure. And the next condition of employment. State any contingents related to employment, such as background check or drug tests that must be cleared before starting work. And the next, acceptance instruction. Provide clear instruction on how to accept the offer, including a deadline for acceptance. This ensures prompt communication from candidate. And the last closing statement. Conclude with a positive note expression excitement about potential having the candidate on board, followed by a professional closing. Exercise synchronically or bits record along with the sender name and title. Okay, the next is example from overture. This is example from overture. From the example, the letter have company logo and contact information. The company logo is neutral branding, and the contact information the mobile, phone, and the next from example have date and candidate information. The date is February 15, 2023, and the candidate information is Angela Griezmann, 68, Y, 6, VR, 76301. And then the example have formal greeting. The formal greeting is Dear Angela Griezmann. And and the example have introduction, have job title, position, work schedule, and compensation detail, and have benefit, and have closing statement. Okay, this is a structure of a letter and the example of a letter. Okay, thanks for attention. I back to the moderator. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, my name is Safildani. The next material about language use for an overall lecture. Clarity and simplicity. Use plain language to ensure that the candidate easily understand the term of employment, avoid technical jargon and assignment that might confuse the reader. Clear communication help prevent misunderstanding about job responsibilities expansion. Next, professional tone. The lecturer should maintain a professional tone that reflects the company values. The includes being considered and positive, which can enhance the candidate's perception of the organization. A friendly yet formal approach can make the offer more appealing. Positive framing express excitement about the candidate joining that team. Phrase like "we are thrilled to offer you this position" can create welcoming atmosphere and set a positive tone for future interaction. Next, avoid ambiguity. Clearly outline all terms, including job title, responsibility, salary, and benefits. Vague language can lead to confusion on positional dispatch later on. For example, instead of saying "you will be compensated fairly," specify the exact salary and placement times. Next, legal consideration. Be conscious about using language that might imply indefinite employee relationship. Avoid phrases like job security or "we are a family company," as this can unintentionally create expressions that lead to legal use. Instead, include a statement that employment is at will, allowing either party to terminate it or anytime. Structure formal. Organize the lecture with headings and bullet points for easy reading. This structure helps candidates quickly find important information such as compensation, detail, and benefits. Next, encouragement for question. Invite candidate to reach out with any question regarding the offer. This openness fosters good communication and shows that the company values transparency. And the last one, closing statement. And with a positive note, expressing enthusiasm about the candidate's potential contribution to the team. This encourages a welcoming environment and encourages acceptance of the offer.
Okay, so this is the end of our discussion today. I would say apologies if there's any mistake. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.